Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your reading, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's see what's there for my Geminis for the month of December 2021. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want, okay? So let's see, Geminis 2021 December, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. What's going on for my Geminis for the month of December? At the back of the deck we have the Ace of Swords energy. This is your overall energy right now. Okay, so you are going for some kind of a clarification. You need some clarification. You are wanting some, you want to disappear fog in front of you. You want to disappear all the situations which are not clear in front of you. You want to end that thing, okay? You want things to get clear, whatever that is. If this is a bad thing, you want to clear that thing. If it is a good thing also, but you are not sure about it, you want to clear that thing as well. So definitely there is some clearing of thoughts. It can be within yourself also. You want to clear your mind, so that's why you might be traveling a lot in the month of December. In the past we have Nine of Wands, Justice and the World energy. So there is a blockage for, I feel, not blockage, I feel that this is somebody who is really tired of something. You could be dealing with some court cases, and so that's why you are really tired of that thing now, and you want to end everything, whatever is going on. For some of you, it's yeah, we are going to clarify what exactly this is, but it means a lot of things are coming up in my mind, so I want to clarify the energies first. In the present we have Seven of Pentacles, Three of Cups and Six of Wands. So this is definitely, things are, it looks like to me that you have seen a lot of slow energies around yourself. Although you are a Gemini, things happen really fast with Geminis. You are a social person. You might be going on with your friends, you might be traveling, so things are really fine. You know, in this case things are fine. You are getting victory, you might be getting some promotion, but still whatever you got or whatever you are getting, it's a little slow than usual. So you are being patient in the situation, whatever that is. In the coming future we have Ten of Cups, King of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. So I'll be taking sometimes love energies and sometimes, you know, other energies apart from love, because whatever I get through these cards, I just speak it out. So it's not only about love, or it's not only about career, finance. It can be everything. It's a mix of everything. All right, so I feel that something stable is coming your way. Wow, Ace of Pentacles with the King of Pentacles. Wow, this is just a beautiful combination. It's like you might be going towards something which is coming towards you, like money might be overflowing to over you. You might be meeting someone new who could be really rich and who is very stable, mature kind of a guy. There is marriage energies also in the month of December for some of you. So let's clarify now. Ace of Swords. Why the Ace of Swords is here for my Geminis in the overall energy? Three of Cups, Ace of Cups and Judgment. So yeah, I feel that some of you have entered into a new relationship, and there could be three people also involved in this thing. There could be a third party situation, because I see Three of Cups in the present energies and your overall energy. So for many of you, you are being very social, outgoing nowadays, but there is something new which has come up in your energies. It could be somebody new who has crossed your paths, and all of a sudden you are feeling like Wow, what is this? But I feel it's not new. It's someone old, I feel. With the judgment. Yeah, judgment tells us about the past lessons learned, and this is a message from the past. A past person might have messaged you or want to connect with you, want to just talk to you, want to hang out with you, and you might be hanging out with that person. Hmm. It can be like that. We are going to clarify what this Nine of Wands is in the past energies. Why the Nine of Wands energy is here. Knight of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Three of Pentacles. I feel that you were working on a relationship in the past and you were really giving a lot of time and a lot of efforts and a lot of energies into that past relationship somewhere. But somehow, some kind of a blockage came towards you. You met with somebody who was very aggressive, who really shouts at you. Might be dealing with another air sign, another Gemini, or someone else. But yeah, it's coming up like that only. Justice energy. Why justice energy is here in the past? High Priestess, Two of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups. So this can be your energy, which you are moving away. You might be juggling between two people and you are moving away from one situation. I feel that you were in between two people, or you liked someone else in a relationship. So that is why the third party situation is coming up. You knew that someone else is involved with your person, or you are involved with someone else. So this could be vice versa, so take as it resonates. Okay, so you could be the third person, you could be the second person, or you could be the first person as well. So whosoever is there, so either one of you caught the other person cheating on the person, on yourself, or you might have, or your person might have caught you. So yeah, there is definitely something going on which is a little hidden and little fishy. So that is why things went really bad, I feel. You were working on a very beautiful relationship, Geminis, I feel, but somehow because of either excess of work, because for some of you it's not only the third party thing, some of you it's more of a busy energy which is coming up over here, and this is the reason your person left you, or you could have left your person over here. A decision taken for that because of being so much busy that you were not able to give them time. Tell me Seven of Pentacles in the present. King of Swords, Ten of Cups in reverse, and Ten of Pentacles. I see some broken marriage over here. Yeah, I feel that somebody was dealing with a tyrant or a very bad person, and that is why there's a broken marriage. Although it took a lot of time for you to come out of this situation. It could be a divorce or a separation or whatever this thing is, but it involved a lot of time in your energies. All you were wanting was happiness. Tell me more about the Six of Wands energies. Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Six of Wands. Okay, so Six of Wands clarified by Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Six of Wands. Wow, too many six. Okay, so for some of you it's a strong attraction, very very strong attraction. I see Venus energies over here. It's like somebody is really attracted towards you, or you are attracted towards someone because of their kindness, their looks, and you're going towards the other person. So this is the present energies which are coming up. Although there were endings, the endings for some of you, the endings has already been finished. Okay, it's been done, and you are ready for new beginnings in life. For some of you, you are already dealing with your person and a very good relationship in the past, or a bad, but it was good in the start, but it went bad. It went really really bad, and that is the reason. There could be a reason because of your or your person's energy. Somebody was really attracted to someone else, and both the Venus energies are attracting each other. So this is the new person's energies which I am getting. So why this new person could be an ex also, because there could be a meeting and you met this person, you chatted with this person, and somehow you came really close to each other, and that is the reason. So why things went bad in the past? I feel that some of you stopped putting efforts in the relationship in the past only. When you start to feel that I don't belong in this relationship, you got to understand, you got to learn the lessons that this is not the relationship I really want. Someone out here, you or your person, somebody in the past only got to know that no, this is not the relationship I want. I want someone else. There's someone else for me. And that is why I'm really getting very beautiful vibes for you. 10 of Cups, Fool, Queen of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, or Aries, or Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. So yeah, somebody a water or a earth sign you are dealing with. Geminis. King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, and 4 of Cups. So you are not going to refuse this offer, I feel. You are going to check, you are going to accept this offer which is coming up from the other person in the coming future. There are some regrets, but I don't see these regrets are from your end. These regrets are the one from one person who has actually done wrong. I feel like you gave a lot in the relationship somewhere, but somehow the other person didn't see those efforts which you have given to them. Ace of Pentacles in the future energies, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, and 3 of Swords. So yes, you are entering into the new relationship because you are going to hold on into this relationship only. It's the new relationship for which you are going to hold on, and whatever the past relationships are coming up, or you are ending all the past energies around you. It's the new things which are making you more positive and sending you more love to you. So that is why all things are ending and new beginnings are coming up in your reading for the month of December, Geminis. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Geminis. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.